How to recover Telegram account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's get started. First launch any web browser on your device, suppose Google Chrome. You can tap on the plus button at top right to open a new tab. Search for the official support page of Telegram. That is, you can type in support.telegram.com and press enter on your keyboard. Or else, if you don't find that way, you can search for Telegram support and search for the first link of support. Open it. Now, once you land on the support page, you have to enter your problem, your full legal name, enter your email and phone number, and click on the submit button. After you do that, Telegram support team will help you to recover your account. And that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.